Faith doesn't disappear suddenly. It fades quietly when life doesn't make sense anymore. If you've ever believed and still felt unsure, this message is for you. Many people think faith grows by forcing belief, but real faith grows by understanding, not pressure. Jesus never demanded blind trust. He invited people to walk with him, slowly, honestly, imperfectly. Faith begins when you stop pretending you're strong and start admitting you're searching. To grow faith in Jesus, start here. Not with answers, bees, but with attention. Pay attention to how he treated the weak, the forgotten, the doubters. He didn't shame them. He stayed. Faith grows when you see Jesus not as a distant figure, but as someone patient enough to walk at your pace. Second, feed your faith with presence, not noise. Faith weakens when life is loud. Constant comparison, constant fear, constant pressure. Quiet moments restore belief. Even a few minutes of reflection can rebuild what stress destroys. Faith grows in stillness. Third, let faith grow through obedience, not emotion. Feelings rise and fall. Faith remains when feelings disappear. Trust grows when you live the teachings, not just admire them. Forgive when it's hard. Be kind when it's inconvenient. Choose truth when it costs you something. Faith strengthens when belief becomes action. And here's something most people don't realize. Doubt is not the enemy of faith. Avoidance is. Jesus never rejected questions. He rejected pride. If you're questioning, you're still close. Faith in Jesus isn't built overnight. It's built step by step, quietly, honestly, daily. If this message spoke to you, pause for a moment and reflect. And if you're on this journey, you're not behind, you're becoming.